Nearly every home kitchen should have a couple of really great sheet trays. And no one is better in the business at sheet trays than Nordic Ware. I have long loved their product for so many reasons, but mostly because of their aluminum core, which helps with conducting heat and a proper rise and cooking, and then also their rimmed edge, which prevents warping in the oven. And we've all been there before. When you've got a sheet tray of cookies in the oven, you hear that pop and you know that the sheet tray is just warped. That never happens with Nordic Ware because they're such a great quality product. Now, what's different about this year is that I have fallen in love with their non-stick variety. So their non-stick naturals brand, which is this beautiful gold color. It releases food really easily, whether you're making cookies or you're doing a sheet pan dinner. I really love them. At the end of the day, what I love most about them is they make cleanup so much easier, which is fantastic. So because of that coating, you don't want to use anything other than like silicone or a plastic spatula on these, so no metal, but I haven't found any scratching, whereas with some other non-stick stuff, I have found that problem before. Definitely don't have that problem here. When it comes to cooking with these sheet trays, you'll want to make sure that you live around that 400, 425 max temperature. Any higher and you could damage the pan. So I wouldn't stick this under a broiler, and I really wouldn't go above that 425 temperature. But most of my recipes cook at about 400, and I don't have any trouble with any warping in the oven. These are such a great gift for someone who loves to bake or make sheet pan dinners. You can never have too many either. I feel like I'm always looking for a sheet pan, and these are my favorite.